Make some noise! Ananya Pandey, Tara Sutaria, Tiger Shroff, and of course, Puneet Malhotra. एक बार वापस से request you wonderful people to grace the stage. That was something. Fire brigades वगैरह? Harsh, we've done that, right? हाँ, है ना पूरा fire engines वगैरह? हाँ, सही है. सच में this was literally आग लगा देने वाला गाना. Okay, Ananya, tell me one thing. You know, दिल्ली मुंबई की जो खुड़िया होते हैं, उनका हमेशा से comparison होता है. So, कौन ज़्यादा cool होती हैं?
My mom's from Delhi and I'm from Mumbai, so both? Can I say both? Okay, actually Mumbai. Sorry.
ठीक है, मुंबई को एक वोट. Tara, what do you have to say?
I'm a Bombay girl, a Mumbai girl, so Mumbai girls all the way.
Right, you know, Tiger, talking about your female fan following, मतलब across the globe सब लोग इतना सारा प्यार करते हैं. So if I had to ask you, कहाँ से ज़्यादा प्यार भरे comments आते हैं? Whether is it Delhi or Mumbai?
You know, I'm very lucky that I got a lot of love from both places.
Right.
And both girls in the song.
Too much, yeah.
हालांकि सच बात ये है कि जब भी दिल्ली जाता हूँ मैं I get a lot of I guess the people there they're very open and outgoing in that sense, so they express a lot more.
Right.
But yeah, I would say more or less equal.
Equal. Puneet, I want you to tell us, तीनों में एक चीज जिसको लेके दुनिया is just going mad and gaga over this film and this cast. Yeah, तीनों के बारे में एक quality. We'll start with Ananya. Yeah, she's like मेरे बारे में सबसे पहले बोलो.
I don't think Ananya has any of those qualities. Ananya is the sweetest and the most endearing girl that you can ever find.
Right.
She's like the baby on set.
Right.
So when you see the film and you see any of it, you know that completely translates. You see how endearing she is.
Right.
Tiger is the big star. No one can say anything about him that's going to do justice to his persona.
Right.
He is the most positive person. The moment he walks onto a set, you have to see the energy he generates. So I mean, full credit to Tiger for that. I'm being sweet, huh?
You just said it.
Tara is just the sweetest, the prettiest girl you'll see. You know, the first time we saw her, I knew that she had to be part of Student of the Year.
Right.
All of it, and literally all her beauty transcends on screen, and you see that in every frame of the film.
Right. Didn't you want to be in this song? मतलब ऐसा लगा कि मैं भी आके डांस
हम लोग सब नाचे उसके बाद. We all jumped on the grapes, tried to make wine,
right,
and tried to do it, but no, it failed.
कृपया इसे खुद से घर में ना करे और करे तो सावधानी से करे. A lot of people are going to do this. अपना फार्म हाउस वेडिंग्स में चलो वो करते हैं जो इन तीनों ने किया. You know, if you guys
इन तीनों ने और भी बहुत कुछ किया गाने में. Tiger's the first hero who has see the music piece again.
Yes, we've just seen that. और ऐसा was it on a trampoline or something?
Ananya insists. This was choreographed by Ananya.
Really? Okay. So all I want to say is do not try that at home or wherever, because that's pretty difficult. कितना takes लिए उसके लिए? Tara, you tell me.
For the trampoline shot?
Yeah.
We actually got it right in one take.
Right. Ananya, वो सच बोल रही है?
Hers was one take, mine was 8 takes, so we not that.
And was it on purpose or?
Of course. Yeah, of course.
Right.
Ananya came to me. हुआ ये था कि trailer release हो गया था हमारा. So Ananya came to me and said, Puneet, you know, in the trailer you've shown a nice kissing shot of Tara and Tiger.
Right.
Why should I be left out? And it's
Right.
not cool and all.
Right.
So we said, okay, chalo, we'll do one more on this song.
Thank you.
Right.
We did that, and then Tara comes and said, that's not fair. It's
What?
not
I never said
She did, she did,
I
she did.
never said that. What rubbish.
Okay, Tiger, I want to ask you, you know, when you were briefed about the song and you were told कि trampoline के ऊपर ये कुछ अलग करना, because every time, you know, you take it to some other level और यहाँ पे तो literally it's on some other level. So how was it?
Actually, I didn't know until the day we shot about the trampoline.
It's a lie.
तो पुनीत सर ने मुझे कुछ वार्निंग दिया ही नहीं.
अच्छा.
तो basically it was very impromptu whatever happened, and I'm just glad it worked out.
ये खाली superstars के साथ होता है ऐसा impromptu वाला, तो आप लोग ज़्यादा उम्मीदें ना पाले. What we'll do is we'll have another thing. How many of you want to see them do some latka jhatkas on this stage?
Preview. 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 Preview.
किधर है? Yes,
हाँ जी।
Paji. We'll take the questions. जी.
Okay, Tiger, hello. Tara, hi.
सत श्री अकाल।
सत श्री अकाल जी। अनन्या, हाय। सो ये बताइए, ये गाना में जो हमने देखा इतना फन हो रहा है, तो आप बताइए जब शूट हो रहा था तो हाउ वाज द एनवायरनमेंट, कितने दिन में शूट हुआ, एंड जो क्रेजीनेस और जो अभी पुनीत जी ने भी कहा था मैडनेस, उसके बारे में आप ही थोड़ा बहुत डिस्क्राइब कीजिए। हाउ वाज इट, ट्रैम्पोलिन के ऊपर एंड एवरीथिंग, व्हाट वाज इट?
बहुत ही मज़ेदार एक्सपीरियंस रहा, खासकर क्योंकि इट वाज टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ आवर शूटिंग ऑफ द होल फिल्म, एंड I thought it was just one big celebration, you know, it felt like a rap party, and honestly, Puneet sir ने 4 days schedule किया ये गाने का shoot के लिए, and we had finished it in about 2.5-3 days. So I thought it was great, and it was just fun, and it got over too soon.
तारा एंड अनन्या, आप भी थोड़ा बहुत ऐड कीजिए अबाउट दिस।
I think honestly, Tiger's right. It was one big celebration, and it was so much fun to be on the trampoline, to stomp on those grapes. It's something I don't think we get to do very often in film. So it was really fun, and it was our last few days of shoot, and I can't think of a better way to end Student of the Year 2 than with this celebration.
Like, we really, really needed a party, and I think this was the best party we could ask for. And we had so much fun, but it looks so much fun, and it's the first time we're seeing it as well. So I think it's just too exciting.
टाइगर, आप एक्शन तो बहुत अच्छा करते हैं, डांस भी बहुत अच्छा करते हैं, लेकिन जब भी एक ऐसा होता है कि अ फिल्म लाइक स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर वेयर इट्स मच मस्ती, मजाक एंड एवरीथिंग, इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम व्हाट यू हैव डन अर्लियर, मतलब बागी होगी आउट एंड आउट एक्शन फिल्म. सो वर यू लुकिंग फॉर सच अ स्क्रिप्ट जहाँ पे मतलब इट्स लाइक अ काइंड ऑफ ब्रेक फ्रॉम द एक्शन फिल्म, मतलब कि इट्स नॉट ओनली मार धार, इट्स समथिंग apart from that action genre? Were you looking for such script?
I was, honestly, you know, and I'm very glad that I got a chance to work on Student of the Year. It's a very different world for me altogether. It's a very different character, you know. I'm not Superman. You punch me and I bleed. You know, it's not like I'm indestructible. So, just very thankful that I had, you know, Karan sir and Puneet sir to guide me through the journey. And, yeah, thank you, sir, for holding my hand through every scene. Yeah, because
sir, yeah.
I'm talking about you. But yeah, I'd like to, you know, say that it was I had a great time shooting the whole film, and I wouldn't say it was a breather, but it was definitely a light experience, some fun experience, and I got to meet these two.
Hi, Tiger. My questions to all of. This is superb, in fact. ये वाला.
Thank you.
Congratulations. अगर आपको कोई स्कूल का प्रिंसिपल बना दिया जाए, तो what would be the thing like what you would like to, you know, add on things? इस तरह का कुछ माहौल रहेगा या कुछ आप चीज़ को डिलीट करना चाहोगे? The question is to everyone.
Let's start with our principal.
Yeah, you have shown it. Puneet.
अगर मेरा कोई ऐसा स्कूल रहा तो मैं ऐसे कपड़े ज़रूर अलाउ करूँगा हर स्कूल में. That all the students should dress like this, and they should have fun. But on a very serious note, I think what we should do is definitely promote sports far more. Our film does that. It's based on sports. It's a competition. और ये सिर्फ एक स्कूल की कहानी नहीं है. जब you know you'll see the film, आपको you'll realize कि इसमें और भी schools हैं. So हमने sports पे ज़्यादा ध्यान देने की कोशिश की है, and that's what the film is about.
Yeah, Ananya.
There's a lot of dancing, so I feel like dance would be something I would emphasize in my school experience at least. So yeah, a lot of dancing.
Tiger.
I think both of them sort of just said what I was going to say. हालांकि एक बैलेंस भी तो होना चाहिए स्टडीज और स्पोर्ट्स के बीच में, तो थोड़ा स्टडीज भी थोड़ा फोर्स करता मैं स्टूडेंट्स को.
हमारी फिल्म में लोग पढ़ते भी हैं
Yeah, I
एक्चुअली, वो
swear
दिखाया
that
नहीं हमने
books
कहीं, पर वो है
books in the
थोड़ा.
film.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
swear.
Tara, what's your?
I mean, I've grown up in the arts, so I think if I could change something, also like in the film, in a school that I was a part of, I would definitely involve the arts more, because I love that we push academia so much, but I think that music and dance are so important, like in our film. So music and dance would be pushed in my school for sure.
Puneet, my questions to you. ये थोड़ी इंस्पायर्ड थी जो जीता वो सिकंदर से, बिकॉज दिस इज मोर ऑन अ लार्जर स्केल, बट देन एक थोड़ी झलक शायद हमें वो थोड़ी याद दिला देती है.
So inspired by Student of the Year 1. Yeah, that's the only film in that.
Hi, my question is for Tara and Ananya.
Hi.
How difficult is it to shoot a dance number with Tiger, because he's the best?
It's.
I'm not the best.
He
man.
is
I'm
the
not
best.
He's the best, he's the
Honestly,
best.
he's the
नहीं,
best.
ऋतिक रोशन भी है, शाहिद कपूर भी है, I'm
Okay.
वरुण धवन भी है.
Wonderful.
I'm
Happy birthday. Varun.
5th or 6th.
Tiger, you're on a different level altogether.
Thank you.
You
Very
have to
kind.
admit
Thank
that.
you.
Yeah, we really tried to match up to him. I think it's impossible to. So I think we focus more on the masala and the latak jhatak and also
I think
tried to do
we
that.
all of us complement each other really
Yeah,
well
yeah.
in the film, and
Yeah.
hopefully you guys agree that in the song it's all turned out really great. So I think we complement each other well.
Hi, Tiger. Hi.
Hi.
I believe you have done a song with Alia Bhatt, a promotional song.
Yes.
So how was it? How was the experience?
Am I allowed to say yes? I am.
You have said.
I am.
Both the girls next to you are heartbroken.
It was a very, very fun experience. It was a very different sort of a song that I've shot. I personally haven't done something like that before, and working with Alia was an amazing experience. You know, her being such a big star, you know, it was just so easy to work with. She was being so open on set and so hardworking, you know, even after achieving so much. So it was really inspiring being around her.
Because when we met her recently, she said that I'm not a dancer, unlike she mentioned Varun Dhawan and you, unlike Tiger and Varun. So she doesn't have that dancers, that body. So.
No, I'm pretty sure she'll prove you guys wrong in this song. She's done a great job.
And
So-
Puneet, sorry, yeah. I wanted to ask you, like, few months back, like last year, we saw a video with Kareena Kapoor telling you that maybe Taimur can do Soti 10. So how would you react to that?
I'm hoping you guys like this film, and that's when we can take the franchise further. And if we do manage to go to Soti 10, I'm sure that would be Taimur. Yeah.
Hi
Puneet,
guys, my question is to
Puneet-
you guys. Student of the year, जो थी उसमें Varun made his debut in Bollywood and today it's his birthday. So any wishes for the first student of the year?
From all of us.
Happy
Happy
birthday,
birthday,
Varun.
Varun.
We love you.
And also
Puneet,
Tiger, you are a very
आपसे
big.
सवाल है जो स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर 1 थी वो गॉसिप गर्ल जो है उससे थोड़ी इंस्पायर्ड या अडॉप्ट कह सकते हैं वो स्टोरी थी स्टूडेंट लाइफ दिखाई थी क्या ये स्टोरी भी किसी स्टोरी से इंस्पायर्ड है
Not really, ma'am. I don't know about Student 1 in that sense also. But this film is not that zone. ये अपने आप की एक कहानी है जहाँ Student 1 ख़त्म हुई थी. It kind of takes off from there. पर कहानी similar नहीं है किसी से. ये अपनी एक अलग कहानी है and जब वो film देखेंगे that time I think you'll see that then.
टाइगर आपसे एक और सवाल है आपकी जितनी भी फिल्में हम देख रहे हैं उन सभी में एक्शन है कंटिन्यू कोई आप ऐसी फिल्म करेंगे आने वाले समय में या फिर अपना थोड़े फोटे चेंज करेंगे आने वाली फिल्मों में क्योंकि लगातार हम एक्शन देखते आ रहे हैं आपकी इस फिल्म
फिलहाल
में
तो
भी
नहीं
action
मैम, मार धाड़ पसंद है मुझे.
Tiger, you're a very good, you're a very big fan of Spider-Man and Avengers is gonna release next week.
Oh yeah.
How excited are you and are you looking forward to the film and
Oh,
also
I'm
the ladies
super
can
excited. I'm almost as excited as I am for Avengers than Student of the Year 2. So I'm very, very excited.
हमें भी मार धाड़ बहुत पसंद है.
No, I mean first Student of the Year 2, then Avengers. But I'm
Okay.
very, very excited.
Yeah, correct.
And yeah, I said it correctly, didn't I? Yeah, I did. Okay.
मेरा सवाल पुनीत से है. पुनीत ही है. अगर टाइगर का ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड अभी तक का देखें तो उन्होंने सोलो ही फिल्म्स की हैं. 2 हीरो वाली फिल्म्स भी नहीं की, मल्टी स्टारर भी नहीं की. क्या यही वजह है कि आपको इसमें कुछ तब्दीलियां करनी पड़ी थी स्टोरी के लेवल पे? मैंने कुछ ऐसा सुना है कि स्टोरी पहले 2 हीरो वाली थी इसमें भी, लेकिन आपने चेंज की क्योंकि टाइगर इसमें आए.
नहीं मैम, ऐसे नहीं था. हमेशा से 2 हीरोइंस थी, 2 लड़कियां थी और 1 लड़का था. तो ये स्टोरी तो हमेशा रही है. It's always been about this one boy and his journey. His journey and where both his love interests come in. Yeah.
टाइगर दिस है.
Sorry.
टाइगर ये पूछना चाह रहा हूँ कि स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर का जो फर्स्ट फ्रेंचाइजी था उसमें वरुण थे, सेकंड में आप हैं, तो आप दोनों हार्ड वर्किंग हैं, टैलेंटेड हैं, लेकिन आप दोनों का फिल्मी कनेक्शन है. वरुण का भी फिल्मी कनेक्शन है, आपका भी है.
जी.
तो धर्मा प्रोडक्शन से बड़ा जो प्रोडक्शन हाउस है वो जो है क्या कहना चाहेंगे कि जो आउटसाइडर्स हैं उनको भी मौका मिलना चाहिए काम करने का?
I think काफ़ी मौका मिल रहा है. I think हर किसी के लिए मौका है in the industry, खासकर क्योंकि it's the small screens are also opening, you know, to a lot of talent. So there's like Netflix, Amazon, as well as, you know, the big screen films. So I think there's opportunities for everybody nowadays. And if you're talented and you do good work, work comes to you. It's as simple as that.
And if you work hard, I can elaborate on that point. When we were really casting for Student of the Year, the idea was to get Tiger on board, and he was gracious enough to do it because I genuinely believe that no one has a skill set over here that Tiger has. And he solely lifts the level of the competition. So it's actually more than talent, it's his hard work. अगर shooting 5 बजे सुबह होती थी, वो 4 बजे जिम में होता ही होता. And because of which we all had to pull up our socks.
Yeah, we all had.
मेरा सवाल है पुनीत से. मोस्टली बड़े प्रोड्यूसर डायरेक्टर रमजान पीरियड में अपनी फिल्म रिलीज करने से कतराते हैं, लेकिन आप रिलीज कर रहे हो, क्या रीजन है?
Sir, we are banking on the film. We are happy about the product we've made, and we are hoping कि लोग आए थिएटर में फिल्म देखें. That's pretty much all we have.
टाइगर यहाँ पे
We'll take. हाँ
यहाँ
जी.
पे आपका जो सॉन्ग है द जवानी सॉन्ग, उसको मतलब बहुत पसंद किया गया. एंड रणधीर कपूर उन्होंने भी कहा कि इट्स गुड कि ओल्ड क्लासिकल्स आर बीन रीमिक्स्ड एंड दे आल्सो ही आल्सो लाइक्ड इट. जगू दादा का क्या रिस्पांस रहा है, मतलब आप बताइए, बिकॉज आपने कहा था कि मैंने तब नहीं बताया था, इट्स लाइक अ सरप्राइज फॉर हिम. सो आप बताइए कि व्हाट वाज द कन्वर्सेशन बिटवीन यू एंड योर डैड.
मुझे बाद में पता चला कि आर.डी. बर्मन जी इज हिज फेवरेट कंपोजर एंड ये जवानी इज वन ऑफ हिज फेवरेट सॉन्ग्स. So he was pleasantly surprised that this song was part of the film, and he saw us performing, and he's in awe. He loved the the remake we had done, and he was very proud and happy. बहुत खुश थे.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. You guys have been awesome. देखो मैं एकदम चुप हो गया यार. जाते Ananya and Tara, one last question for you, both of you. How did your friends react to not just the trailer but you working with Tiger? मतलब क्या excitement था वो बता दो बस.
Super jealous, obviously, that we got to work with Tiger, and yeah, they were like, send us pictures, what are you all doing, this, that, and all. So they were very jealous.
So were they after your life कि कुछ leak करो ना, कुछ दिखाओ ना, क्या होने वाला है फिल्म में and all. Tara?
I don't think they were after my life for leaking pictures. When we met in person, then I'd show them stuff sneakily. But they were very, very, very.
How did you manage that? How did you manage that?
Yeah, we were not allowed to keep any content.
Like behind the scenes, whatever we took with you only, Puneet.
अब बाद में बात करेंगे इसकी backstage. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. You guys have been amazing, and congratulations one more time.
Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
हाँ photo करते हैं.
It's time for a quick photo op.
Preview. 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 Come on. Preview. 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 Come on. Preview. 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 Preview.
Come on.
Preview. 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 Preview.
Come on.
Preview. 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 Preview.
Come on.
Preview.